Hello, my name is Denis Lacroix. I'm a Group Senior Vice President for Amadeus. Amadeus is the leading tech providers to the travel and tourism industry. We serve travel agents, airlines, hoteliers, very much all actors of the travel and tourism industry. And my role at Amadeus is I'm a Group Senior Vice President in engineering, and right now specifically responsible for our transition to the cloud. Difficult to single out only 3 tech trends. So let me try. The first one is not really a recent trend, is the cloud. For us at Amadeus, who have been running all our systems and product in our own data center, this transition to the cloud is a huge undertaking and will actually redefine what our company looks like in the decades to come. The second trend I would mention is green IT. I'm based in Europe. Doing good things for our planet is paramount. In fact, in many cases, it becomes a legal mandate. So we have a very large undertaking to ensure that we make the best possible use of our assets. So trying to convince our engineers that smaller is better, trying to target new hardware processor architecture, such as ARM processors, which are more energy efficient than the Intel or AMD. So green IT is a big tech trend. And of course, I don't think I can escape Gen AI. We've been using actually generative AI for a long time, even before ChatGPT became the rage. We were using Gen AI to create synthetic images of people for our airport biometric product. So we had to test them, and the best way to test them was actually to use those generative faces that using Gen AI. And then, of course, with ChatGPT, we have embraced this on a big scale in multiple ways for our own internal needs. Specifically in software engineering, we have deployed some Gen AI capabilities for our engineers, and we're trying to assess, how much we gain. We know we gain something, we're not quite sure how much, but it looks like it will be very successful initiatives. And we're also experimenting in a number of ways with Gen AI. For example, one of our product that we offer to airline does revenue management, so trying to optimize revenues for the airline. And a big component of this is something called the forecaster. And Gen AI seems to be very, very promising to improve the quality of our forecaster for our revenue management product. So our focus is, of course, on customer experience, but it's very much on meeting the needs of our airlines. We are a B2B business, so we serve travel agents, we serve airlines, we serve hoteliers, car rental companies, many, many actors. So our focus is very much to leverage Gen AI on use cases that they care about. And actually, more often than not, those customers, what they care about is actually user experience. So over time, as we infuse Gen AI in pretty much over time all our product, there will be some definite user experience improvement for our customers. So Amadeus established itself in India quite some time ago, back in 2006 and 2007, I'm not sure anymore. At that time, we did a big tour of India, trying to find the location where we would be. So we went to Pune, Mumbai, Delhi, Chandigarh, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and like most, we chose Bangalore in the end. So right now, our Bangalore site is close to 4,000 engineers. So it's a very large site, our second largest R&D sites. And the reason we came to Bangalore is because of the ability of talent. There's a war out there. But because I think of the quality of the work we offer, we've been very, very happy with our ability to attract top talent and to retain top talent. So quite pleased about our success in Bangalore, from 0 to 4,000 since 2007, so quite an impressive growth. So I went to many sessions. I went to the plenary sessions this morning. I was part of a panel with some very smart people, so that was actually very energizing because those people think really, really fast and they know quite a few things. And then in the afternoon, I actually attended the technology track, some very insightful discussion on the edge or the cloud edge, trying to redefine exactly what you're talking about and what are the typical use cases that the cloud edge may actually help us answer.